The day after a St. Louis judge vacated a man's murder conviction, he remains in prison. Christopher Dunn has been behind bars for 34 years. Our Justina Cornell joins us in studio to explain why he still hasn't been freed. Justina?
Mike, a judge came down with that decision 24 hours ago. Now, in 1990, then 18-year-old Christopher Dunn was convicted for the murder of another teen in North St. Louis City. Since then, Dunn has claimed his innocence. The Attorney General.
We understand that there may have been some request or order from the Attorney General's office requesting that he not be released.
Before even being set free after being behind bars for 34 years, Christopher Dunn faces another roadblock. Missouri's Attorney General is trying to stop his release by appealing a judge's decision. This week, a St. Louis judge granted a motion to vacate Dunn's murder conviction, saying the St. Louis Circuit Attorney made a clear and convincing show of actual innocence.
There was no physical evidence, no circumstance, nothing else to tie the defendant to the crime.
After 26 years as a judge, Booker Shaw has seen many cases before him in St. Louis City.
We're just very happy with how things turned out.
Now he's helping St. Louis Circuit Attorney Gabe Gore with Christopher Dunn's case. In 1991, Dunn was convicted of first-degree murder after being charged with shooting and killing 15-year-old Rico Rogers in North St. Louis City. At the time, a 14-year-old and 12-year-old said they witnessed the shooting, but later recanted their statements. In his first year, Gore demanded a judge to look at this case.
Now we're in an era where the law has provided an opportunity for the prosecutor, him or herself, to proceed with a motion to set aside and order the release of an individual who's been convicted. So it's somewhat unique.
The Missouri Attorney General's office still believes Dunn is guilty. In May, during a court hearing, the Assistant Attorney General called Dunn the gunman and said he told lies. With this appeal process in place, Shaw and Gore are working to navigate next steps.
There's no provision for it under the law, and therefore we just don't know exactly what shape this is going to take.
We were told today they are considering all options to see when he can be released. Christopher Dunn's wife said today they are grateful. It's been a long fight.